Hi, my name is Cassandra McClure, and I am a clean beauty artist, entrepreneur, and podcaster. And today we're gonna be showing you how to do a cat look. So very easy, very fun, and totally foolproof. And you only need one product. It can be a pencil, any sort of liquid eyeliner, or even a felt-tipped liner. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to use a pencil eyeliner, which is the easiest and foolproof way. And you can do this look in under 5 minutes. It's so easy, you can do it on yourself. So here we go. The first thing we'll do is draw a line across the nose. You'll wanna use the end of the tip of your nose like you're cutting it right off. There's really no wrong way to do this. You can go higher or lower, but this is the first step. Next, you'll fill in that area. So you'll just color it in. This is a pencil by celebrity makeup artist Jillian Dempsey. Really soft pencils. It's a kohl eyeliner, but I'm using it on the rest of my face. It's so fun to play with makeup. You can use it for so many different things. I've used this as a lip liner, but this is really all you need to do. And as I said, it's so easy. Continuing down your nose, not all the way down to the Cupid's bow, but about halfway, you'll draw a little bit, not a line, but you'll kind of fade the pencil. And you can even use, if it's a double-sided pencil, and just use it to kind of work the color out and just fade it a little bit so it's a little bit more natural looking. If you want to go down all the way, then it'll look a little bit more defined. But that's all you need to do for the nose. Very simple. Next is some dots. So you'll just press the pencil, roll it, and move the pencil away. So really easy. You'll want to do 3 or more. You can do 5 or 6, but this will give you the illusion of kind of the whisker, where the cat's whiskers will come from. And then you'll make a few lines. So really, you just start around the whisker area where you smile, kind of going upwards to kind of bring your face up and out. So you'll just draw a couple lines on your cheek. 3 or 4 is really cute, and then you can add more if you want a more dramatic look. So I'll just do 3 so you can see how that looks. And as you can see, it doesn't have to be even, it doesn't have to be perfect. Cat's whiskers go all over, and you don't have to make it look perfect at all. And if you wanted to add more, you can kind of blend the product out like that, and then you'll have a little bit more of a dramatic look. You can do a red lip, a pink lip, you can go nude if you want to, or you can even bring the brown down and do your lips as well if you want. And then you'll do the eyeliner. You can just do your entire face with foundation, or you can do your natural makeup how you normally like it, and then do this part after, but you'll really just line your eyes a little bit, and you'll bring it out with a cat, with a line almost like a cat eye, and you'll just bring the color out. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be even on both sides. It's just to give the illusion of an elongated eye like a cat. For me, it's kind of fun to go a little bit farther out, and then you'll bring that color underneath as well. If you are comfortable, you can go inside the waterline. I have another pencil here that's a darker brown. This is by Ilia. And this is a darker brown, so for me, it'll show up a little bit better inside my bottom waterline, this part in here. And it'll give a more dramatic effect. And again, you can use a black for this as well. Kohl or soft liners work best. And if you're working with a pencil that has a wooden frame, you'll wanna make sure that it's sharpened and there's no excess on there. One like this that's self-sharpening, you don't really need to worry about anything getting into your eyes. So you'll line both underneath and on top as much as you need. Pull the pencil out, and again, you can use a nice little brush to kind of bring the line out if you want to, but it's totally up to you how you wear this cat look. That's pretty much it. And I hope you enjoyed watching and following along with this easy cat look tutorial for Halloween. If you have parrot ears laying around, this can complete your look, and then all you'll need to do is wear black. You're good to go.